While I was making this video, I experienced these feelings of despair and broken muscles all over again. Hopefully, this video will ease somebody's life. To solve the following problem, I was using the spanner that came with the washing machine. It is a 12mm wrench. On the back side of every front open washing machine, you can find the shipping bolts, which you should simply remove. According to the manual, one should unscrew the bolt for approximately 3 cm, which is 1 1/8 inch, and then pull it out. Partially, that is true, except it doesn't come out. Here's the secret on how to unscrew the transit bolts on this particular Gorenje washing machine. One should loosen the bolt so it sticks out for about 3 cm, then push it inside as hard as possible to take the amortization gasket off the plastic dowel that holds the bolt, and then unscrew it. The exact model of this washing machine you can find in the description of this video. So, partially unscrew the bolt. Push it in, pull it out. Whew! In the end, place the caps which come with the washing machine into these holes. Check out my video on how to install a washing machine and other useful videos on my channel. See you there! Thank you for watching.